This is a tutorial on how to play Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on the ukulele in the key of G. We're going to use this sheet right here. You can grab this for free at the link I'm going to show you at the end. You can also get a play-along track. There's a play-along video that features that as well. But right now, let's look at the chords we need. We're going to play this in G, so obviously we're going to use a G chord, which is right there. And we're going to use D7, which is the 5 chord, right? And we're going to also use G7 as we go to the third part, the bridge or the chorus. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, and then A minor, Santa came, back to D7 to G, and then we're setting up this little turnaround, so we go to D major, which is 1, 2, 3, our fingers 1, 2, 3. Rudolph with your nose so bright. And A7, super easy. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? So overall, pretty easy song, pretty easy arrangement. Now you can play this in another key. It might be easier. This key is good for most people's vocal range. That's why we're doing it in G, but certainly you can play it in C, pretty easy as well. Let's go down each phrase and just review how to play the song through, and we'll use the chord view for that as well. So let's start on G. If you do want to set up people for singing, you can play a little G, G, D7, G, you know, bum, 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 Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, all on G, had a very shiny switch, D7. And if you ever saw it, you would even say switch glows, back to G. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call switch names. They never let poor Rudolph join in other rain switch games. And so it's a quick switch. You don't have to go to the G7, but it's kind of fun, and it sets up C. So G7, G7, then we go to C, then one foggy Christmassy, back to G, and then a nice part here, 2, 5, 1, A minor, D7, G, and then D major, Rudolph with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And that again is what we call a 5 of 5. It's an A7. So instead of A minor, we do A7. 2, 5, 1. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? That's not the melody, but then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, just like the first part. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, won't you'll go down in history. Yeah, I almost said won't you. Won't you what? Won't you please play for me? He can't. He's a reindeer. Makes it hard to do chording. Strumming, yes, absolutely, but not chording. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any helpful tips or advice or, you know, axioms, no fables though, leave them below. And if you want to get the notation that the chord sheet, the song sheet that you just saw, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani. You can also grab the play-along track that I used in the play-along video. Make sure you watch that one as well and practice to that one. It's over there. It's linked below. If it's during the holidays and you feel like a challenge, do our ukulele holiday challenge. You'll learn a bunch of songs and you might win an ukulele. But that's not why you should do it. You should do it, after you subscribe, of course. You should do it because ukulele brings people joy. You and others. And that's why we do this, so we can elevate whatever needs elevating, all right? I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're enjoying playing the ukulele and learning as much as I enjoy helping you. All right, thanks for watching. You can visit me at patreon.com/Kalani. Contact me through kalanimusic.com. Everything's linked below. See you soon. Thanks for watching.